Hi there, welcome to this demonstration of Go Beaver. Okay, so this is how easy it is to use. We just literally click on Add Campaigns, Create Campaign, and we're going to be greeted with all these different ways we can create ads. Facebook, Instagram, Google, LinkedIn, YouTube, TikTok, etc. Self-explanatory there, okay? But we can also not only just do ads, but we can do organic social media. So this is where we do 7-day fan page autopilot, 7-day Instagram, weekly social media, again, very self-explanatory. And then marketing legends, if we click here, these is where our AI is actually modeled after some of your favorite gurus. So you can probably work out who these are, like Real Estate Genius, Funnel, who's the biggest funnel builder in the business, etc. So they'll actually write the ads in that style, okay? So we've trained our AI to write ads just like them. Then we have super affiliate campaigns. So this is if you want to promote an affiliate product, and it basically will load up everything for you. So again, let's just show you this in operation. So we could just say, create a Facebook ad. We want to have an engagement style ad, and I'm just going to select a project. So to create a new project, and create a new project, you enter the name and you enter the website URL. And again, I'll just show you it live in action. So I'll just put a super affiliate example. And what happens here is when you go to get project details, it's going to scan your website and it's going to put in your text. Now, you can edit this text. Obviously, the better that you edit the project description, the better the output will be. So again, I'll just put in here, affiliate marketing, okay? Make money, and you can just put in a comma, and we submit, and generate ads. Here we go. Oh, sorry. There we go. So here's our first ad. Now, the great thing is, as you can see, you can go to edit ad, and you can you have your caption, your headline, your subheadline, and this is your ad here, okay? Now, you can also fully edit it, so you could search and just type in make money. There we go. Yeah, preview. You're like, okay, yeah, let's use this. I'll change the image. You can use generative AI, so you can talk to the AI to generate an image there, or you can upload your own. Now, you can also do other stuff, like you can hit regenerate, and it'll regenerate the ad. You can go to edit style, and you can select the tone, promotional, informative. So I'll go back here. Promotional, informative, sensitive. Again, very self-explanatory. Edit ad. And then if you like what you see, you go to save. You go back here, and you've got a few options. So what you could do is you could select, and you could download that ad, okay? And you could save. And again, you select your folder. I'll just put make money online, search save. And then if we go to our saved ads here, there's our ad that we just created, okay? So literally you can just save it straight there, okay? Now, we also integrate as shown with the Facebook ads library and TikTok as well. So you could literally go to Facebook, okay? And you can type in, like I've put in high level there, okay? And you can put in the parameters. So you could have ads that are running actively. And you just scroll down there and you find whatever ad you like. There we go. Swipe ad. And that's now swiping to the beaver. Ad swiped, you can see it went green. Literally go back here. So I'll just turn my camera back on. And if we go down to our ad ideas and swipe ads, there's the ad. So literally now we can literally hit swipe ad, and we can create an ad based of that. So again, I showed this example before. Adapt for a different niche. So I'm going to put yoga GHL demo. Select product. I'm going to select the yoga product. There we go. Just putting yoga for target audience and generate ads. And as you can see, there's the ad based on that. So there we go. So you can literally go and spy on any ad that you like. So if you see any of your competitors' ad, that is mega. You can literally just go to the ads library, search by any keyword, look at their ads, swipe it, and then recreate. And if you're actually an agency trying to do work for clients, you can go and search competitors' ads in whatever niche it is, recreate those ads, and boom, it's done in a second. Now let me show you ad campaigns. So this is pretty cool. So I want to show you some social media stuff. So we'll go to our Ad Genius and we'll select 7-day fan page autopilot. Now this is going to give us 7 days of social media. So again, let's we'll do Wine Bluff. So this is a winery in California, one of our clients. So I'll put in wine and I'll call this 7 weeks social FB. And there's our keywords, and we're going to go to generate. Okay, so as you can see, there are 7 different posts waiting to be generated there. So again, we just click next, generate ad, and I'm going to show you some extra cool stuff you can do with this. So there we go. There's a good story. So it writes like a full story. And again, what I could do in here. So say I like this post, but I felt it was a bit too wordy. Let me show you some cool things. So I could like edit the ad, and I could say, please make this shorter and add some emoji bullet points. And there we go. So look at that. It's totally changed that in a second. So I could say, okay, that's pretty cool. So then I go to save. But here's the cool thing now, right? You can literally go through that each time. Okay. So again, same sort of thing. I'll just mess with the image here. Wine. Let's see what comes up. Ah, I like that. Looks like everyone's having good time there. Remember one of our top affiliates, Travis Stevenson, he was sent out an email or a post about wine. So Travis, if you're watching this is for you, buddy. So we go to edit ad, and again, we can do the same thing. Please create short bullet points. And that's what's so great about the Beavers. It's fully customizable. Okay, there we go. So as you can see, that's slightly different. So what we're going to do is we'll go to save, and you can see these ads look pretty good. Now, can you see how quick this is at creating a week of social media content very quickly? And then you literally scroll down and you go to post now. And what you can do here, you can write a little caption for your post. And you literally will select your drop down. So you go to add an account, you literally click add an account, and that's how you add your account. You select now, and you can either go to publish now, see that button, or if you go to schedule, again, self-explanatory, your time zone, hit the button, hit the time, and it will schedule automatically. So literally you could go in there and schedule, oh, sorry, went off screen. You could go in there and schedule a week of social media in a second. So again, let me show you something else cool. So let's say you're running ads. It could be affiliate marketing, could be for clients, could be for your own business. You know that you want to run ads at, may say, New Year, Black Friday, the big shopping seasons, okay? But you just don't have time. Your clients don't have time. They're too busy running their business. And again, that's what Go Beaver solves the problem of this. So we'll literally go to add campaigns, and let's go to create campaign. And I'll go to Ad Genius this time. I think I'll go to some seasonal campaigns. Let's do some Black Friday. Now, this is really cool, okay? So I'm going to put in Black Friday. I'm going to select a project. Let's do a different one. Again, this is a local, this is an optician here in the UK. So I'm going to put BF 2025 spec savers, okay? And that's our project. Keyword for ads is eyes, and I'm going to go to generate ads. So here we go. Now, this is going to be really interesting. So when you create a series of ads, okay, we have trained the Beaver that it's going to create you 3 ads, and they're going to be sequential. So what this means is you're going to have, the first ad is going to announce your sale is on, like your Black Friday offer. The second is going to remind them of the benefits, and the third is going to create scarcity, okay? So like urgent, 24 hours to go, book your eye appointment now. So again, if we look through these, here we go. So again, you can see, don't miss out on our biggest sale of the year. See the way it uses the emojis and stuff. Why wait? Writes really, really coherent, great posts, great ads. Look, tap the link to explore exclusive Black Friday offers. And again, if we go down here, again, it's a reminder. And then let's look at this. So we go to edit ad, okay? Look, last call, extended Black Friday magic at Specsavers, 24 hours to transform your vision and hearing. So you see how the Beaver is actually writing in sequential campaigns. How much of a time saver will this be when you know that people need to be running ads at these peak promotional times, but they just let it slip by, and they're letting so much money slip by, okay? So that is that. That's our seasonal campaigns. And again, if we go back in here, create campaigns, Genius, you can see that this is what we've got now, and we're always adding to it all the time. Now, email marketing as well. Let's say you want to create some email marketing. We have 4-day cash email sequence, 4-day e-com email sequence, marketing legends. Again, you want to write ads in some of your famous gurus, go load more. So really, really easy. Now, if you want to do affiliate marketing, we've built in super affiliate campaigns. So what we've done is we've teamed up with some of the biggest networks on the planet for digital products. So for example, we go to super affiliate campaigns. And here's a product here, Rocket Clips. This product recently just sold, I think, $180,000 in a few days. It's a hot converting product. So we literally click on it, go to campaign name, we'll put in Rocket Clips 2025, generate ads. And what this will do is actually something different. So it's going to give you a video that you can use. It's going to give you an audio file and a landing page, but it's also going to give you your Facebook ads. It's going to give you your Instagram ads. It's going to do YouTube scripts. It's going to do TikTok scripts. It's going to write your emails. So that's what's so powerful about the Beaver, is it literally generates everything. It's not just a Facebook ad creator. It's Facebook ads, Instagram, YouTube scripts, TikTok scripts, emails, everything combined. And again, you can just edit there. Let's put in video production search. Use this. There we go. I'm not sure I like that one. Video production. There we go. That looks a bit better. And there we go. Now, let me also show you the white label. So if you want to actually white label this for clients, you can literally scroll down here and we go to brand setting, and we'll see the way everything just changed there. So literally you'll be able to brand this as your own. I show when I'm moving that about. Theme color. You can put in your logo. You can put in your favicon, which is the little thing in the dashboard. You can put your own logo here, and you can get your own domain. So you can actually put this on your own domain and literally use this software under your own brand. So take the credit for all the amazing things that Go Beaver does. So as you can see, it's super powerful. It's very, very easy to create things, to create new projects. Literally create project, add a project, enter the name, enter the website, get project details, boom, it's done. And once you put that in once, you can literally use that forever, and you can edit it in one click. So that's a quick tour of the Beaver. I hope you've enjoyed it. Affiliate networks is another one. Again, we're tapping into JVZ, ClickBank, and Warrior. We're adding some of the other biggest names in there. I believe Digistore, Commission Junction, a few others are going in there. So that's one-click access into those. You can also search ads directly here and then copy them from there. But we would say using the cloner and going direct into the meta ad library will give even better results. And the same with the TikTok.